you doing, buddy? What's your name? Her name is Beautiful. Hey, come here. She must be tired. Look like somebody just ate lunch. Come here, buddy. I got one just like you at home. Come here. How about you, little guy? Oh, you fly beautiful. Look at you. Oh, wow. Hola, people. Let's do it. Let's think our way to better health. You know, if you haven't heard of Dr. Joe Dispenza, you should check him out. He has a lot of books out there. One called the You Are the Placebo. He's a neuroscientist that has, you know, went around the world basically doing research on people, and extensive research on meditation and the cause and effect of that towards health. You know, people with better health, because you can eat good, you can, you know, think you're doing all the right things to you know, exercise, eat good, go to the doctor all the time, and you think you're healthy, but you're not, and you might get this crazy disease and you don't know where it's from. Like, how did I get sick? And that's from the way we think. Now, you can be all that. I forgot what it was, a hydro something kind of person that always thinks that they're gonna die. So there's a thing, right? So like, when you're thinking, like, say you think you might get sick, and there's some hereditary stuff. I think, like, something you got from your grandma, something you got from somebody. Oh my God, they got it, I'm gonna get it. They got it, I'm gonna get it. We all gonna get it. That can make you sick. So you can exercise, you can eat good, you can be out there living a healthy lifestyle, not drinking, not doing drugs, missing out on all the parties because you think it's gonna make you live longer. But then you're thinking constantly of that thing you have right here in your, you know, a cyst, or the thing on your toe, or something that's gonna cause you to get sick. And through depression and repetition and, you know, the habitual thinking and all that stuff. So like, when you have those redundant, frequent emotions, thoughts, you know, when you wake up in the morning and you have those, you look at your phone, or like when you woke up happy because you were sleeping, right? But the moment you open your eyes, the moment that you're able to think, you start to think of all the stuff that you don't like. Like, oh, look at the leak on the wall, or look at the crack here, or damn, yesterday I missed my car payment. Damn, yesterday I didn't pay this. Oh, I'm stressed out, I'm depressed. And then you might not say that, but you start thinking about all the stuff that makes you feel those emotions. It's just preparing you. You're lubing yourself up to go freaking, you know, throw yourself into all that sickness, depression. There's many other sicknesses, you know, and it could be even a common cold. You can even get a common cold just by thinking about it. And so those are the things that Dr. Joe Dispenza, however you want to pronounce his name, talks about. He's on multiple platforms. You can look him up, probably on Dr. Oz. He's on Tom Bilyeu on YouTube. Everywhere, just look them up and check, just listen to them. If you don't want to read the book or audio book, try to find anything, put a little effort into that. Invest in yourself, please. Invest in yourself and think about good stuff, you know, happy, healthiness. Be in the moment. Live more in the moment and forget about all the, oh my God, I'm getting sick and all this stuff. Just have fun. Have fun like a little kid with no shoes on outside. All right, let's go get this food for us now. I just got food for my turtle. He gonna eat, chomp, chomp. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm gonna feed my little turtle. And you gotta see him eat. It's pretty amazing. So we're gonna go do that. And they gave us some exclusives. I don't even wanna open it. It's like these little dry shrimp. It was like, oh, don't tell us we gave you this and shit. Like, your turtle will love it. So that was free, exclusive from the local pet store. Can't say where I got it from because then they might get fired. So peace out. I'll be right back. We're gonna go and get some food for us to cook, some veggies, all that good stuff, maybe some chicken, and we're gonna go on a bike ride. So stay tuned. He hunting. You got a good spot, bro. Good spot. This one's pretty fast. distracted. Let the body do what it does best and align itself and categorize itself into where it needs to be, and surround yourself by nature. Can't say that more. All right, let's get back to the house. That was about 3.5 miles. I got another 3.5 miles to go, about something like that. So 7 miles in total. A little 5-10 minute meditation, and let's get going. I could sit here all day and meditate, but I have stuff to do. I'm not financially free yet, which is what I'm manifesting in my life right now. So let's do it. See you guys in a bit.
So what we're doing here right now, my daily routine is having our little cookies and cream, protein shake with some bananas in there. You know, this is a little warehouse right here. What we're doing, you know, is trying to fire and rewire our way of thinking about money and create our own money versus getting paid. Log into the share.
What I got here's a little, well, look at my little shop set up here. We got clothes we selling for used clothes. We got keyboards. We got adult diapers. We got games, outlets, adapters, good working stuff, all for sale. All thrift store stuff, Goodwill stuff that you can buy, brand new, library books that nobody wants. It's all worth money, all worth money. Even this. Things that you cannot sell. I know this is not a video for retail arbitrage, but I'm just trying to show you my little side hustle. Besides, I'm actually about to go to work, full-time job, but this right here, it's a little side hustle thing. And the things that you think you cannot sell on Amazon because it might be, you know, too used or whatnot, eBay will buy it. Someone somewhere far away in Chile or Europe would look at your product on eBay and be like, ooh, wow, I need that. Let's get it. You know, they might not have it. So it's a process. A lot of extensive research that I've done on myself was, you know, looking to create money besides just working, because I would like to live this life of abundance a lot more. You know, waking up, doing my little bike ride, feeding my animals, you know, sourcing some products to sell. Right now I'm doing the retail arbitrage versus drop shipping or private labeling from China. So this is what I do for now. Trying to set up the environment so I can think like a independent person and free myself from the rat race. I feel like you can see my nipples in this shirt. Sorry, it's a tight shirt. But so yeah, beside that, Dr. Joe Dispenza, we were talking about earlier, because I keep listening to his audios all day while I'm doing stuff in the background, whether it's Audible or free YouTube audios. Learning is beautiful, and that's the thing is, change your daily routine. Let's not do the same thing we do every day, because when we do the same thing we do every day, it becomes, you know, habitual. Like when you're riding a bike, looking at the bike right now, when you first learn how to ride a bike, you get that wow, no training wheels, euphoria, fireworks, and you never forget how to ride a bike because your good, happy feelings are associated with you riding the bike. So pedaling becomes like a bribe. Learning how to ride a bike is just a byproduct of being excited. Literally, like you get excited about something, you create a memory, and that memory stays there. And so learning to do something new, like this retail arbitrage, I don't even know what I'm doing. I only know half of the things that I'm doing. So I'm actually buying stuff to resell it, make sure it makes money, what profit, taxes, a bunch of other stuff that you got to look into, which I'm trying to learn. I don't know information until I go and research it, that's everything. You don't know how to drive a car until someone teaches you, right? So Go learn. Go learn. But let me wrap up here because I got to get to work. And today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. I'll be out there at all the thrift stores, all the garage sales, trying to find some products so I can make some money and quit my job eventually. Shh, nobody knows nothing.